We have no puppet masters. No popples. We got no fucking puppet masters. I ain't got puppet master. $1 per leg. But man, you high, sucker? Sit down pony. It's yellow. It is yellow. That is not a puppet master. You motherfuckers. Tell you what not. No love on the sit down pony. You motherfuckers asked me for sit down ponies, and I got nothing. I got nothing from y'all. Fuckers. That's what you are. Fuckers. 6-shooter. Listen, man, I don't do trannies, bro. That's my brother. My brother is the tranny guy. I know nothing about tranny. All right. If you're on Facebook, PM. We got no fucking. You see that, Puppetmaster? Not for fucking sale, sucker. All right? We got Marvel Blizzard up. I ain't auctioning my banner. Piss off, motherfucker. Goddamn. You bastards here at WhatNot. All right? You're crazy and cheap. Those are not for fucking sale. No Puppetmaster. You know what? We can waste 10 minutes and just. We got no loose fucking puppet masters, Tank. We have no puppet masters. Not for sale. I'm a professional. Tank. I may not look it. I know I got missing teeth. I know I'm bearded. I know I'm gray. I know I'm talking loud. I know I'm drinking beers. But I'm a goddamn professional. I'll get your shit straight. Don't worry. Hey, I may be ugly too. But you know what? I got a girlfriend that loves me. So I must not be that ugly. What's up? Cheers, WhatNot. This is one half of the BOD. What's his name? Fuck off. How about that? Fuck off. What's his name? Man, piss off, bastard. I'm gonna roll something. I'm gonna roll a fucking Willie Nelson. Smoke that shit. I don't smoke it though. I eat it. You know what I'm saying? I don't smoke weed. I eat weed. WhatNot? Fuck you. I'm out. See you next week. How do you end this shit? Oh yeah, end auction. Auction ended. How you end the live stream?